Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that Samsung S26 Ultra have FM radio. If you're using S26 Ultra and you're looking for FM radio in your phone, so the answer is unfortunately no, there's no any FM radio service in your phone. If you want to search here, so you can also try to search, there's no any FM radio. But if you want to use FM radio in your phone, so there's another way. You just have to simply open your Play Store and install a third party FM radio from here. Just go to search and just search for FM radio. So most of these radios use your internet. So you just have to download anyone from here. Let's say I'm gonna download this one. Just click on install option. Once this has been installed, you can easily use it to use as an radio. The difference is that this radio will use your internet. So in this way, you can easily use radio in your S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.